Alright, before going on to show you a book I'm having with YouTube, I'm gonna see if anyone else is having this problem. I want to install Xcode, and it says that there is not enough disk space available to install the product. Wait, what? If I check it out right here, I have 41 gigabytes free. I purposefully deleted a lot of stuff to make that space. So what the hell? I just restarted the system, rebooted. So no idea why this will happen. And that's it. How do I stop this? Oh yeah, there you go.